Got him.
This is a 2-clamper here, ladies and gentlemen. And there you have it.
Woo!
That fish will weigh 50 pounds, probably.
Yeah, it's probably a 50.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got the pliers back there.
Yes.
This is Talent, and Ab, commonly known as Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe.
Okay. Hold on.
Good golly. Look at that fish up beside Jack.
That's a good one.
And Jack is no small tater there.
That's a good one right there.
That is a good one.
Woo!
Lake Gladewater.
Mm-hmm.
The flathead season has begun.
Yep.
Golly.
How about a smile up here, boys? There we go.
That's a good one.